In this video, I want to share with you a real example of a sales funnel that I'm still using today to sell an online video course, that is, to be precise, a video method to help people treat the most important and diffused health problem, such as, let me make an example, pathologies, tinnitus, hallux valgus, cervical, conjunctivitis, gastritis, insomnia, headaches, and so on. Obviously, I'm not the author of this funnel. The author is a doctor physiotherapist from Italy named Antonio Sacchero. He created a method called Connectis method to help people even cure these problems. My name is Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So thank you. So, before explaining this funnel, how this funnel works, because to be very honest, it's very simple. It consists of only 6-7 pages. It is a very basic funnel, but at the same time, extremely powerful. I want to share with you how this business works, because it's extremely important for you to understand the business before understanding the funnel. So, just to make things simple, we have created this website called connectis.it. It is in Italian language, even if in this moment for training purposes, I've translated it in English thanks to Google Translator. This website contains different information, lots of articles, divided by different categories that are the main problems that Antonio Sacchero is capable of fixing thanks to his connected methods. So, as you can see from this funnel design, we bring traffic to the website and even to the first part of the funnel, the opt-in page, named Squeeze page, thanks to Facebook advertising and SEO, search engine optimization. Indeed, we built this site with many articles in order to use SEO, search engine optimization, to let the articles bring traffic to our website. Okay, I don't want to dive deep into how SEO works because it's not the topic of this video, but I want you to understand the main picture of this site, how it has been designed in order to bring traffic to our Squeeze page. Indeed, for example, if we go to the headache section, just to let you know, in the top of this site, above the fold, there is a sort of squeeze page. Squeeze page that is the starting point of our funnel. Indeed, we collect leads from this part of the website, or if people, for example, lands in this article, we have these sort of banners, and if I click on this banner, we bring people to see the Squeeze page. This is our Squeeze page, the starting point of our funnel. Very easy, very simple. There is a sort of video in which Antonio explains what he can do for the potential customer, in this case the prospect, and invites him or her to fill in a form to have access to some videos. That is our second part of this funnel. Sorry, is the third part of this funnel, the indoctrination page. So, in the Squeeze page, there are 2 testimonials. There is a form in different sections of the Squeeze page. There is a presentation of Antonio Sacchero, who is Antonio Sacchero, and then you can even call us free with this number. By calling this number, you can speak with someone. With that said, when a person filling this form and click on the button "Watch the videos," this prospect lands to this thank you page. That is a simple thank you page in which we don't provide immediately the content page, the indoctrination videos, because we want the prospect to confirm his email address, because all the business is based on the following emails. I mean, say that few people will buy the product instantly, so thanks to the email process, we persuade people to buy the method. Indeed, as you can see from this final design, we have set up till 16 emails in order to persuade people to watch the content page and after the content page go directly to the sales page. So the process is easy and it's very fast, okay? Let me share with you, okay, this is the nurture page, the content page to be precise, in which people, the prospects, can see two videos, video number 1 awareness, video number 2 effectiveness, in which Antonio explains exactly what he can do to solve the prospect's problem. There is one important thing that I didn't share at the beginning of this video. Even if the funnel structure is very simple, we have set up this funnel structure for each pathology, because each pathology fixes a specific problem, and you perfectly know that if you want to attract people's attention, you have to speak about the problem they have in that specific moment. This is why, even if the structure of the funnel is always the same for 19 pathologies, what changes is the communication. Okay? This is very, very, very important. With that said, in the content page, the third video is the connectives method. In this case, the translation is not correct, but in the video number 3, people can buy directly the connectives method, and there is a video of 16 minutes in which Antonio explains exactly what he can do for you, how the method works, and what the prospect, in this case, has to do in order to buy the method. Okay, this is the sales page with the frequently asked questions. Then what we have, a presentation of Antonio, and then we give prospects the opportunity to send us an email if they need additional information, and then they can also call the toll-free number. In this specific case, to push people to watch the video, the purchase button will appear after 12 minutes of watching the video, because we want people to understand before buying something. When the button appears and a prospect click on the button, the next step of the funnel is this one. I know perfectly that this landing page that represents the order form is not so beautiful, but believe me, even if it has this polish, this basic design, it works like magic, especially if you buy the method from your smartphone, for instance, okay? It's very easy. You have to fill in the form, first name, surname, email, confirm email address, and so on, and then you can check, you can choose the payment method, PayPal or credit card, or you can choose the bank transfer. Once you have completed the payment, you will receive an email that is the end part of the funnel, access data, in which you can get immediate access to the members page. This is the members page, very easy and very straightforward, in which prospect can click on the method that he has just bought and can get access to the video explanation of the method, plus a PDF guide that resumes the most important part of the method itself. This is how this funnel works. This is how we are still selling online video methods, so a digital product plus a PDF guide to help people treat and even cure the most important health problems. Now, what's next? I highly urge you to watch this video. Click on the top right corner. 5 easy steps to create digital marketing funnel to convert prospects into paid clients. There are tons of different funnels you can create, but the principles, the basics behind every funnel are always the same. Don't skip the fundamentals, otherwise your funnel will not properly work. Watch this video now.